¿Cómo estás? Hi, beauties. Welcome back. What is going on? All right, you guys, today is BoxyCharm day. And before I get into it, I just want to make sure that you guys are subscribed. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything on this channel. And thank you for joining me today. Actually, it's like nighttime, you guys. I am hot as crap. Unfortunately, our air conditioner right now is not working and we're waiting for the piece to come in. So it's like 80 degrees in my house right now, and I was just like sweating off my makeup. So if my makeup looks a hot mess, please forgive me, you guys. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. And I also just want to let you know and remind you that I do have a giveaway going on my channel right now. I mentioned that in my last video. I also want you guys to know that it's not just the one palette and the brush that's in the giveaway. Throughout the month, you guys, until I choose a winner, I will be adding stuff to the giveaway. So I've already added another recent ColourPop palette that I picked up for you guys to add in there. And then I'm probably going to add two things from this box because I know I'm not going to put it to use. I don't want it to go to waste when I know that one of you guys can put it to use out there. So just to let you guys know, it's just not the palette and the brush. There's some other stuff going into the giveaway. So all you have to do is just leave me a comment down below with your Instagram panhandle. Did I say panhandle? You know what I mean if that didn't make sense, but with your Instagram handle. Anyways, you guys, I'm just like, I'm hot. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking dying right now. So yeah, so just be subscribed, genuinely subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. Leave me your Instagram handle and leave me a comment down below of anything you want to say. So, and then, yeah, so we're going to get into this. So I mentioned the last time that I did my BoxyCharm, I'm going to mention one product that I absolutely loved from the box before. The one main product that stuck out to me that I really enjoyed using from my February box was the Ciate Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. You guys, this is really good. Like, I have it on now. I legit tried this for like a week straight and I absolutely love this. It really does remind me, it's not the same formula, but it's very close in my opinion to the Jeffree Star Cosmetics setting powder. We all freaking, you know, love that powder. It's really like finely milled, just like the Jeffree Star one. And they remind me of just like confectioner sugar. Like, it's just that fine of a powder and it just goes on super lightweight. It did not dry out my under eyes, you guys. It does not have a scent, like a strong scent of coconut like Jeffree's does with the cotton candy, and we all love that smell. That is like my ride or die setting powder, you guys. You already know this, and the smell is just so good. But this is kind of like a scent where you're kind of like, ooh, what is that smell? But then it like fades away really quickly. So that's what it is. It doesn't have much of a smell to it. I also like that it's really easy to use. It goes on super nice and super fine. It helped my like creasage stay at bay for a while. Like, my concealer did not crease with this for a really long time, and the only one that I've ever seen that happen with was the Jeffree Star setting powder, where my under eye did not crease for hours at a time. And when this was giving me the same effect, I was like, okay. So this was the winner from last month's box, you guys. I'm really enjoying this one. The only thing I do wish that it had was a stopper like the Jeffree Star Cosmetics one, because this one can get a little bit messy because it doesn't have a stopper at all. So it just gets everywhere. But it's a really good setting powder. I really like it. So yeah, so that's that. And then again, they did not send me the card to this month's box, you guys. So I had to kind of go here and there to find out the prices of these things. So I'm just going to wing it for you guys because I don't know what's up with BoxyCharm not sending the cards. Like, we need our information to pass along. Like, we need our prices. Hello, BoxyCharm, what is going on? So yeah, the first thing that I got in my box is a mini Sutra Beauty ceramic curling iron with cool tip in the color pastel yellow. If you saw Kathleen Lights' video, she showed it. I'm not going to take it out, you guys, because I know I'm not going to put this to use. I hardly have any hair. I usually just straighten it. I have natural curly hair, but I always straighten it. So I know that I don't want this to go to waste, so I'm going to add this to the giveaway. This is a $50 iron. So yeah, one of you guys is going to win this, but if you've seen Kathleen Lights' video, she shows the color of it. So if you want to hop onto her channel and see what the color looks like, then you'll get an idea. But I have not opened it. I have not unpackaged it. It is sealed. And one of you beautiful people out there will be winning this, because I'm going to throw this in the giveaway. It is a compact design, safe for all hair types, and it has a rapid heating time. It is ceramic barrels, professional salon quality, fast heat up and recovery. The maximum temperature is 370 Fahrenheit, and it has a swivel cord, ergonomic grip handle, I hope I'm saying that right, and a dual voltage of 110 to 24 OV worldwide use. So that's the first thing that I got in the box, which was $50. The second thing I got in the box, I'm also going to put this in the giveaway because I'm kind of like over lip glosses right now. I just decluttered some of my makeup, you guys, and I just like gave a bunch of lip glosses away that was just like unused, or I used them once and I didn't like them and they were just sitting there. You know, I give them to family members, not to like people who, you know, not to like spread germs or anything like that. But yeah, this one is sealed, you guys. I'm gonna throw this in the giveaway too, because I know I'm not gonna use this, but this is in the color Pink Sequin. It is by Vintage, by Jessica Liebeskide, or oh my gosh, I'm probably torturing her last name right now. I'm so sorry, Jessica, if you ever see this. But it is Vintage by Jessica L. Let's just call her L. And this runs for $25. And I'll be honest with you guys, watching Kathleen Lights' video, I usually don't watch reviews before my box and before I open it for you guys and review it for you guys. But her video kind of tainted this lip gloss for me, because she put it on and it just left her lips completely like juiced out, super glossy, super wet. Like, that's not my type of thing. And if just like one coat is gonna get my lips like that, I'm not about it. For me personally, it grosses me out to have too much lip gloss like that on my lips, and then it'll start caking, and I don't know. I'm not saying that this does, because I've never used this brand before, but usually that's what happens on me anyway. So I'm just going to give this beautiful lip gloss away to one of you guys. So this is going to go in the giveaway too. This runs for $25. The next one, you guys, I was really surprised to get this in the box this month, because I must have just read one of the spoilers wrong and thought that all the base boxes were getting the Hank and Henry palette, and I was super excited to finally try his eyeshadow formula. And again, I can't, because I did not know that BoxyCharm created their own palette, and I was pretty surprised to see this in here. And this palette runs for $39, because I did not see a spoiler for this at all. I was like, what? They made their own palette? So I was excited but sad at the same time, but super excited because BoxyCharm is starting to do their own thing, and that is really cool. So I do like the packaging. It says hello Charmer, and it does pop out kind of like in a not like a 3D thing, but it pops out like you could feel it. And then it just has hashtags and the little at stuff like Boxy Bellas, Boxy Seller Trade, Boxy Babes, BoxyCharm Canada, all that stuff. So it does have a mirror, and the pants, the pant sizes of the eyeshadows, you guys, they're pretty big. Like, look how pretty that is. I'll swatch a few for you. I have not touched this because I did not want to like damage this. So the names of the eyeshadows are Boxy, which is this one, the white. Charmer, which is like right up my alley, but it's a shimmer. Then they have full size. I can only imagine what this one is going to swatch like. They have Exclusive, Spoiler, Luxe, which is that gorgeous gold at the end. They have UnBoxing, which is another color right up my alley, that dark curl almost going towards burgundy side. Sneak Peek, Premium, Swipe Up, Top Up and Cup of Joe. So basically, you know, all the words that they use to describe their stuff, to describe their company, to describe how they brand their stuff out. So I just think this is really cute, you guys. It's really cute. I really like it. So the ones I'm gonna swatch Luxe, which is that gorgeous gold. Wow, you guys, that feels really nice. Look at that pigment. That is crazy. Wow. Okay. All right. I'm gonna like swatch that Swipe Up color. It's, when you look at it in the pan, it shifts a lot, but the base of it kind of looks like on the pink red side, but it has a rainbow full effect of glitter in it, but it's not like a chunky glitter. Okay, I was not expecting that. All right, it is really coming up, kind of like a lip scrub type of formula. I'm not lying. Like, it just really came up on the pan. Like, it feels really weird. It almost feels like sugar with glitter in it. That's exactly how it feels. So I'm gonna just, oh wow. No way, you guys, there's hardly any left on my finger, just on the places I didn't swatch. Wow, that's kind of impressive. You know, when you like swatch those glittery shades, that is just so unique and gorgeous. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the color Swipe Up. Dude, that shift in it, oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. I've never seen anything like that. But you know, when you get those like chunky glitters that when you swipe it, a lot of it stays on your finger. That's not the case in this one. I'm a bit impressed. That's crazy. All right, now I'm like really excited to use this palette. Oh my gosh. Okay, the next one I'm gonna swatch for you guys is I'm gonna try that full size, which is like purple shifting into blue and green. This one right here. Do you not see it? Oh my gosh, I can't. Okay, let's try that one. All right, that one feels a little more rough than usual. This formula is very unique. It's very different. And I'm still like, oh my gosh, you guys. Seriously, look at that shift. Wow. I'm super excited now. Now I'm like not that sad that I didn't get the Hank and Henry palette. Like, I'm really excited over this. Sorry, Henry, I love you. But wow, I'm gonna swatch one more, you guys. I'm gonna swatch that gorgeous teal, the Charmer, and we're gonna see how that goes on. This, oh, dude, I cannot. I'm like baffled right now, and just like one, wow. But let me not get all up into like loving the swatches, because you never know how it's gonna perform on your eyes. But you guys, just to see the shift of the colors and how duo they are, bitch, like okay, I am excited over this palette right now. I will definitely be diving into this week and let you know to see if it's gonna be the winner for next month. So, because out of this box, I'm only gonna have 3 things to try out. So again, the palette runs for $39. Now the next thing I got that I'll be honest with you guys, I was excited to get. Now, I've tried KVD before it was called KVD, like vegan or whatever. And, you know, her eyeshadows just didn't work for me. Like, I had a lot of issues trying out her shadows. So I never went back to them. And then I tried, what else have I tried? I tried her liquid lipstick. I liked her liquid lipstick formula, and she had gorgeous colors to choose from. I did not like the formula of her lipsticks, so I'm not sure if they've changed the formula of the lipsticks now, since they, I guess, have rebranded and she sold her part of the company. But I will be honest with you, I was excited to get this Metal Crush liquid highlighter by that company, and this runs for $25. And I just saw this on the Sephora site, you guys, and unfortunately it's already on sale for $12. So I know this is probably not new, but to me it is. And I've never seen a liquid highlighter in like one of those click things, like with this at the end. I was very, very like, wow, like just, I had no words, like the way I have no words right now to explain it. So I have not used it or anything like that, but I'm sure like it's gonna probably take a few clicks to come up. Oh, here we go. Wow, that is really, really gorgeous. Oh, you know what? And by the way, I just remembered, I do have like that little blush highlighter duo that I fell in love with the little mirror that I can travel with. That I absolutely love. Oh my gosh, I just love that little thing. But I'll be honest with you, this liquid highlighter is almost the exact same as the highlighter in that little double compact thing that I have. But it's absolutely gorgeous. It's super glittery. And it has like a pink, orange, yellow shift to it. So that's really, really pretty. But yes, I'm intrigued. I don't know how. I'm probably going to have to transfer this onto my finger maybe and apply it that way. I'm going to apply this a couple of different ways and see how it's going to work for me. But yes, I was really excited to get this because it's very different, you guys. Very unique. Again, I've never seen a highlighter like this. And it just looks super like travel friendly. You could just stick this in your purse and probably even forget that it's in there. Not throwing shade at all, but because it's so compact that I throw stuff in my bag all the time, you guys, and forget that I have stuff in there. And I'm just like, oh my gosh, I was looking for this the other day, and finally, you know how you always look for something that you need and at that moment you can't find it, but when you're not looking for it anymore, then you find it and you're like, oh, okay, now that I don't need it. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm excited to try this out. And this runs again for $25, but is on sale on the Sephora website for $12. So, and the color of this one is Gamma Ray, yeah, one of those. And then the last thing in here, you guys, I was kind of confused because I looked the price up to this and one website said it was 10 something. It was on Amazon for $12. So I guess this is sold in different places, but this is by Project Beauty. It's a hair gurt and it's in almond honey. It's an intense repair yogurt hair mask with prebiotics, quinoa, and super botanicals for beautiful hair, sulfate and paraben free. It is 4 ounces and it's supposed to help repair damaged, fragile, and brittle hair. So I was almost going to give this away, but I really need to cut half of my hair because it's just dried out. But I really want to see if this is going to work for my ends, to see if it brings it back to life and brings it some like healthiness and some shine to it maybe. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this. I wonder what this smells like because it says honey almond, but let's smell it. Oh wow, that smells amazing. Yes, I definitely want to try that. Yes, you guys, so I'm keeping this because I definitely want to see if this is gonna work for me, at least a little bit with the hair that I have left. So yeah, you guys, those were the 5 items that I got in my box. And my total value of the box is $149, which to me is always worth it, whether you like the stuff or not. I feel like I always end up loving something from these BoxyCharms, and they're very helpful for me to look outside of the box of my usual stuff that I buy and try new brands that I've never used before. So I'm still loving my BoxyCharm. Even if they don't send me the cards, you guys need to get with it because I need my info cards, okay? But you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. These swatches, oh my gosh, these colors, you guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. So please be subscribed. Don't forget about the giveaway. I will leave all the information down below as well in the description box for this video too, you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.